Hi there, this is Andy again with Aaki Corp. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about machining services. When Aaki Corp first started up in 1987, we were just an engineering shop and farmed all our machining out. But we found that we didn't have a really good connection between our engineers and what they needed to machine. So we started to integrate machining services into our facility. Over the years, we grew to about a dozen CNC machines. We've since changed direction a little bit on that. What we do have is this fantastic network worldwide of machining services. So we have machining services throughout China, India, Mexico, all through the US, locally here in Canada, and then also in Europe. So if you're looking for something to have machined, if you're looking to see if you can get a better pricing on something, maybe by going to China, or if you're looking for something that's difficult to machine, please click on the link below. Send us an email. We'll tell you what we can do. If it's a fit for us, we'll let you know. If it's not, we'll probably refer you to someone that might be able to help you. But again, thanks very much for watching and have a good day.